I would love to show you how to assign your guided readers activities inside of your Google Classroom account. So once you sign into your Google Classroom account, you're going to go up here to Classwork and then click Create. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to create an assignment using guided readers. And what we're going to do is we're going to assign the book Bear Cubs to either our entire class, if that's what you choose to do, or specific students, maybe in a specific reading group. So we're going to work on the book Bear Cubs. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tell the students what they're going to do. First, they're going to read Bear Cubs. I wrote clubs. Let's change that. I keep writing clubs. That's not good. We are going to have the students read Bear Cubs, listen to the book Bear Cubs on guided readers. We're going to have them record themselves reading Bear Cubs, and then we're going to have them do the Google activities for sight words, making words, and guided writing. So when you're over here in guided readers, you are going to click the Google Classroom link, and then you'll click make a copy, and it will make a copy of the Google Classroom activities. Now, this Google Classroom activity is a level F book. It will be inside of your Google account now, and then you can either assign it with the link directly from your Google account, or you can always, of course, click the share button and then just copy the actual shareable link. So I just copied the link and it's done. And now what I'm going to do is going to go back to my Google Classroom. Now I'm going to click the little paper clip and click add. Now here I can click Google Drive and attach the actual link from my Google Drive. But let's say, for example, I'm not logged into Google Drive with my school account, or I'm logged in with a different account. You can actually just click link. And here I will paste the link to the Google Slides, and there it is. Now, here's what we want to do right here. Over here on the right, instead of saying students can view the file, we want to make a copy for each student. That's extremely, extremely important. We're going to click make a copy for each student because then it will be assigned to each of your students. Then down here, you can click here to click the students that you want it to being assigned to. You can either click all students, or maybe you click the specific students you want it to assign to in Google Classroom. So if you have a level F group, you would click the students that are in your level F group. If you wanted for the whole class, you'd click all students. And then after you do that, you will click the assign button right here at the top right, and it will be assigned to each of your students inside of Google Classroom for each of your students to do the actual activities inside of the Google Slides activity for this particular book. And that is how you assign a Google Classroom activity from guided readers into your Google Classroom account. I hope this video helps you get going with Google Classroom and guided readers at your fingertips. We hope this helps.